Okay, so our Malibu Monsoon is running a little bit hot, and we just did the impeller earlier in the year, actually only maybe a month ago. So I highly doubt there's anything wrong with that. But our lake does have some weeds in it, so we're thinking maybe we sucked up some weeds. We checked the inlet, which down below that hose goes up on the boat. I checked on the other side of that. There's nothing hanging down from that. So I'm thinking maybe we sucked things up through the impeller, and so for the impeller goes down this hose, and this hose goes up to the transmission cooler right here. So we're pulling the hose off, and we're gonna check up in here, and yep, there's some weeds up inside of there. So there's a screen right in there. So Emily's gonna stick her finger in there, she's gonna dig the weeds out.
Oh, that's so gross.
So if your boat's running hot, typically, you have something
I
from
don't like plants.
the inlet down there
And they're
up to the impeller here. Usually it's the impeller, but if you replace the impeller, there's something else. From the impeller goes out the bottom and up over to the inlet on the transmission cooler. So there's a screen there that captures things. But also it's a cone, so things get caught in the corner. So make sure you sweep all the way around the edges and get everything out. Okay, so there you go. We just found our problem with our Malibu.